An important interview question is difference between waterfall and agile model. Waterfall model is a linear sequential approach to software development that follows a sequential process. In the waterfall model, each phase of the software development process must be completed before moving on to the next. On the other hand, Agile methodology breaks the project into small incremental chunks that are developed and delivered in iterations. It emphasizes continuous feedback, collaboration, communication between the development team and stakeholders. If you want more videos on interview and istqb questions, show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing my channel. Thanks.